Hi, I'm Ben Gerritsen. I want to talk for a minute about why I feel if I were you, why you would choose me and how I'm going to help you. To become a mortgage loan officer, there's training you go through, but it's more than just training. It's also experience. I've got a lot of experience, and with that experience, I've taken more tests and more licensing, and I've had more education than many people in our industry throughout the country. I've taken tests for many states. I've sat in on different exams. I run a mortgage company in the state of Utah as well as in 8 states. And as a mortgage broker, to own a mortgage company in the state of Utah, you have to have an additional license that is very difficult to obtain. In the state of Utah, that license that you have to obtain in order to own a mortgage company is called a PLM license. It stands for Principal Lending Manager. And in the state of Utah, this is a very difficult test to pass, as well as the requirements to meet and obtain the requirements to qualify just to submit the paperwork to the Division of Real Estate, so they will allow you to sign up and take the test and go through the additional education and background to get to that level. And so I've had to have so many years of experience, so many transactions under my belt, and so much that you have to do, that you have to prove to the state that you're going to be qualified to run a company in the mortgage and financial industry. So I got there, and in addition to that, the state of Utah is the #1 very hardest state to own a mortgage company. More mortgage banks and mortgage lending companies have a difficult time coming to Utah because a PLM license is the very hardest license in the entire country in the US to obtain. There's less people that have it than there are companies trying to come to Utah. Not only in Utah do I do lending, I also lend in almost every state that touches Utah except for Nevada. So that's Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Arizona, and then I also have Texas and Florida and Alaska that I do lending in. I work with over 20 mortgage companies throughout the country. When I say mortgage companies, banks that do lending and cover products from all the different products out there that can help, from purchases to refinances to investment properties to helping seniors with reverse mortgages to all different sorts of products that are out there. Work with a lot of different scenarios. We've got a team of people behind us that help us, not just on my team that help in processing and submitting the paperwork, but also the different mortgage banks that work with us. They have their staff that they help us through the process, and we get everything in and out in a very fast pace. And with this, we're given the wholesale pricing to save you as the client a lot in fees that are not passed on, that a lot of the bigger places pass on to you. So with the why, I've got a lot of the experience. I've done hundreds of transactions in just the last couple of years, that I see so many different walks of life, as well as different situations, from families that are going through different challenges, from deaths to divorces to buyouts of a family member, whether they're getting along or not getting along, how to help them, how to work through situations. I've helped so many different walks of life, of different people that need help, and I've been able to see so many different situations to where I'm confident that I can help your situation, whether it's an easy one or there's challenges, that we can work through and help you figure things out and be able to improve your overall situation, whether you're buying a house or refinancing. Feel free to go to the website, fill out the application online. This is an easy process. You can reach out to me, give me a call, and I look forward to helping you. Thanks for tuning in.